It's accepted.
Okay.
So yeah, how are you?
I am good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. I don't know what's happening. Some lining is coming on my screen.
Yes, I feel like maybe your camera is not working good. Something else.
Now it's okay, I think.
Yes, it's better. So, may I know about you, sir?
Yeah, my name is Nasir Ansari. I'm from Delhi, and I do my own business. We do printing on gift items. There are certain kind of gift items like T-shirts, cap, mug, trophy, medal, and I run my YouTube channel as well. My YouTube channel name is English Hatke. Yeah, it's all about me. Thank you so much for this wonderful
It's nice.
opportunity.
Sound good. Okay. So now let me introduce myself. My name is Mohammed Munib, and I am from Pakistan. And I have graduated in software engineering, and now I am working in software tech industry, and I have around 3 year experience in this field. Apart from that, I am running our small YouTube channel, Munib CH 239, and nowadays I started working on our communication skills, especially in English speaking. So that's all from my side.
That's wonderful. So, do you have any
Thank you, sir.
do you have any specific topic you would discuss on that? Otherwise, we talk in general.
No, sir, I have not specific topic about
Mm-hmm,
just general discussion, and also for some find like beneficial content for beginners
mm-hmm,
that helpful to improve their English speaking language. So
mm-hmm.
that's it.
So, since how long you've been working on your communication skills?
Yeah, yes, sir. I started working on few months ago, around 2 or 3 months. I think 2 months ago,
Mm-hmm.
and I created my channel before 2025 day ago.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you feel any changes after creating a YouTube channel inside you?
Mm, no, nothing, sir, but I feel changes when I start working on our communication skill,
Mm-hmm,
especially in your English. Like when you talk somewhere in English, your confidence automatically boost, and people treat like you are very rich and very a knowledgeable person. So I feel this like change in my own confidence, and also like people treating behavior, but not feel something like different about my YouTube channel. So that's my point.
okay, that's great. That's great. So, do
Yes.
you work in MNC company?
Yes, I worked in basically my company give the services like business outsource and software development services. So
Mm-hmm,
I have like graduated in software
mm-hmm,
engineering, and now I worked in software development field. Like mostly I do worked in website backend development. So
mm-hmm,
I work in my company name is Premier NX,
mm-hmm,
and basically the main branch is from UK. So in Pakistan have the other child branch.
mm-hmm,
So I am working in since along around 2 months. Before this, I worked in smart computings. He basically from the Germany-based company, and
mm-hmm,
have the little branch in Pakistan. I have worked in around 2 year and 8 months, and
mm-hmm,
after then I joined the Premier NX. So
mm-hmm.
here I like I like meeting with the clients. And do you are you like already know uh, in software development IT tech industry, most of our clients in European side. And so when I talk with clients and feel nervous, especially in English, because my English is not good basically. I complete my all this the graduation in Urdu medium schools and universities. So that's why think we need to start work on my English communication skill. And I started before 2 months ago, and nowadays I little bit fluent in this language.
So you've been learning for 2 months.
Yes, 2 month.
And you are also, you have changed company. It's been 2 months only, right?
Yes, because in last company I had no client meetings because all the meetings attend my senior and just give the task I will do and hand over our senior. In this company I do all meetings itself with client. So
Mm-hmm.
basically when I talk with client, so
Hmm.
English is required. So that's why I worked on this language.
That's great. That's good. And yeah, it's
Yeah.
so in the Pakistan also, if person speaks in English, he gets a good value from the people. Is it in Pakistan?
Yes, actually, sir, you are right. If you speak English, you get the good value in people, and also get the good value in your workspace and IT companies. Because in Pakistan, most of the people use your national language and mother
Mhm.
tongue, Urdu and Punjabi in IT culture industry, and some of uh, most like 95% people use Urdu and mother tongue like Punjabi, Seraiki
Mhm.
language in our workspace, and just around five and less than 5% people
Mhm.
use English conversation in English speaking in work environment. That's why the person who speak English confidently,
Mhm.
the demand is more than the other person. So
Yeah, I can resonate with you. It's true. In India also, if you go outside and if you speak in English, you will get the different
mm,
kind of attention from the people. Yeah, it happens.
mm,
And even English is,
yes.
yeah, really more important, and you can say it's really essential now. And especially when you are working in the IT field, because I have around 14 years experience in IT field, and I
Okay,
I left my job in 2017. Since then I'm working in, I've been doing my own business. So IBM
okay,
company
good.
was my last company. I was my designation was different. It was not software development. I was in networking field. We were responsible
Network,
to
IT field.
yeah, yeah, to tackle all
Yes,
the,
I know.
server room. Yeah, how we've been connected
Mm,
with the servers, and how we,
mm.
pass the data throughout the all devices. Or so it was my responsibility in that company.
I
Okay,
basically IT is a good interesting field. You do like cloud side service, like all setups, cloud sides, and basic some local network setup. So I
but
have
it's
little
very
bit
hectic job.
interest.
It's very
Hectic.
hectic job
Why?
because I was in senior engineer out there, and I would have available all the time. So I'm in 24/7. If I get call, suppose at night time around 3 a.m. on in the morning, for, so I must have reply to my junior engineers if
You,
they stuck
you are
somewhere.
doing working from home, work from home.
You know, suppose I'm at home and if I get call anytime, I have to available. I need to,
Okay, so it's
yeah, I must have to log in my laptop, and I have rectify the problem if the engineer is not fixing the problem. So this was the
bro, it's
situation.
very
That's why
difficult.
definitely, when you are working in the IT field, it's very hectic. So I had the experience. That's
Okay.
why. And sometime I spend it more than 24 hours in the office. If we have any kind
Okay.
of problem, and if any problem persists there in server room, so we have to, anyhow, we had to rectify the problem that time. So
Okay,
that's why I left
I
my,
know
and in the
it's very
pandemic period,
difficult.
I lost my job, and since then I've been doing my business only. And recently I'm planning to open my English spoken academy, and let's see, inshallah, I will start next month.
Okay, so good.
Mm.
So how long have you been learning this language and serving on YouTube?
It's been 7 months. I started my YouTube channel, and I've been learning English. It's been around two years. And after creating my YouTube channel and after having the conversation with the, lots of people, and I feel my confidence boost up. So that's why I'm involved in this journey. And now, when I started my YouTube channel, I had the problem because I did not I was new for this platform, and people are not connected with me. So sometime I have to send the mail to many people, but I get the rarely reply from them. But now
Bro,
I now
same feelings, same I feeling right now. I send multiple mails at once day, like around 16, 14, just one or two give a response. So
but
in, I think,
now
early stage you like feel. Yeah,
yeah, but
please
now
continue.
situation has changed. Now the situation
Yeah.
has changed. Many people send me the request, but I am not available to to have the conversation with them.
Because bro, you are little fluent in this language and also have the confidence, and you are spend like more time. You are no intermediate level, not in the beginner level in YouTube niche. So that's why your status was changed.
Yeah, my still I have three requests in the morning, because today is Sunday. I woke up late in the morning, and after
Okay.
performing the Fajr namaz, I slept again. So it have, that's why I woke up at around 11 a.m. in the morning, and when I checked my phone, I got 3 4 requests to have the conversation, because most of the time I have the conversation on Sunday. I try to have the conversation on Sunday, because Sunday most of the time I free. I'm at my office
Okay.
now, but and I don't have any work on Sunday, because we we have the off on Sunday usually. But I come to office because some pending works I need to complete it. I need to
Okay.
complete some pending works. So
Good, good, bro.
like this, I have the
Okay.
conversation. But
Yeah.
the thing
Good.
is, now you have started at the good age. At the right time, you have started your journey, and definitely I
Yes.
guarantee you, inshallah, you will improve you know in a good manner. And if you
Inshallah. Inshallah.
consistently, if you do this conversation or the practice, definitely you will reach up to the higher level. So how did you start your journey, English journey?
Okay.
I don't know,
So,
again
sir, I already told you. Okay.
mhm.
It's better. Like, okay, because my background is IT field, so I already told you like most of my client is outside
Mhm.
the uh,
No, no, apart
country,
from that,
like European
apart
side,
from
and
that, I am not talking about your professional environment or professional ambience. Okay, I'm just talking. Apart from that,
okay.
what you inspired? I mean, from where you got the inspiration? I should learn the English, or I will
No, if you are talking about like apart from that, my working environment, so not a specific reason to start this language,
Okay.
because this language is not my interest or my like a hobby. It's for my like compulsory thing or need.
Mm-hmm.
If I could survive in this field and
Mm-hmm.
want to become a good developer and grow in this field, so definitely definitely we need this language. So that's why I started this language. So
So,
now I little bit feel easy in this environment, and it's going well for me.
what is your mother tongue? Is it Urdu or Punjabi?
My mother tongue is Punjabi, and national language is Urdu.
I recognize that, because you speak when you speak English. Somewhere it looks, some words. The Punjabi in India, the Punjabi people, they speak like that. So some words are there when you
Yeah.
speak. It shows your
Yeah.
MTI,
Yeah.
but it's okay.
Yes.
English is not a first language, so somewhere it happens. It's not. This is not the problem of you, especially. This is the problem of every Indian and Pakistani and the Asian countries people. This is the problem. We some whenever
Yes.
we start, whenever we talk in English, it shows somewhere MTI issues. But we have to overcome on that.
Yes. Sure.
It's not a very big task. If you do practice regularly or consistently, definitely you will overcome, or you will get rid of this problem. Yeah,
Yes, you are right, sir. You are right. Sir, if you don't mind, I ask you one question.
definitely. I would love to answer your all questions.
Yeah. I think you are Muslim.
Yes, Alhamdulillah,
I
I'm
am
Muslim.
also Muslim. Alhamdulillah. I am also Muslim. I think. I like recognize you want like uh, pray Fajr namaz and inshallah. So I think it's the brother is Muslim.
Yeah,
So nice to meet you, sir.
same here, same here. When I saw your name, you know, somewhere we have little bit influence with the our community, and it happens because we are being human. We must have this, you know, these feelings or this ambience. We must have,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay. It's
because
happening.
but honestly, I have, you know, experience with the Pakistani people when I visited Saudi Arabia. That time I got one guy, he's from Pakistan. When I visited to there to Saudi Arabia to perform Hajj, so the person,
Okay.
he was a receptionist actually, and he helped me a lot. One of guy
Okay.
he and one of guy, he was from Egypt, and both are they are in, you know, in the reception, and they all the, you know, they are taking care of all the things. So I had
Okay.
little bit friendship with them. And Pakistani
Okay.
person, he helped me a lot. And sometime I visited somewhere, some, you know, shopping mall and some other, and he guided me in a good manner.
Yes.
So since
Yes.
then, I have little bit, you know, sympathy towards the Pakistani people.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So, sir, you want to visit Pakistan in our like life or some other country?
Yeah, my wife wants to visit Pakistan, but unfortunately, I did not get, you know, permission to visit there because one of my
Yes.
friend, due to English, you know, conversation on, I got that guy. His name is Sajid, and he
Sajid.
lives in
Okay.
Karachi, and he promised me to, you know, to sponsor to get the visa. But due to some
Okay.
circumstances, it was not, you know, not permitted. I did not get the visa permission to visit the Pakistan, so that's why I
Yes.
didn't go there. But in future, definitely I will. If I'll get the chance, we will visit there because my wife, she really wants to visit Pakistan.
Okay.
I'm not
Okay.
that,
So,
I don't have that ambition, but my wife.
okay, so
Mm-hmm.
sir, I just have one suggestion. Whenever you visiting Pakistan, so kindly visit the Lahore city. Lahore is beautiful city of Pakistan, and I feel like you really like this city because I living in Lahore
Mm-hmm.
around four year. So this though the environment, the culture, and the
Mm-hmm.
street foods is very famous. So whenever you come in Pakistan, so don't forget to visit Lahore. And
Definitely.
definitely you enjoy their environment and foods, etc.
Thank you, thank you. Definitely,
Oh,
I'll visit if I come, if I'll get chance in the future to visit there.
okay.
So,
So
my next question to you:
yes,
have you done your BTech or BE in computer
no.
science?
No, in my side have not B Tech or like our education system and Indian education little bit different. So in
Okay.
my side have like degrees, IT, software
Mm-hmm.
engineering and CS computer science
Okay.
degree. If you want to go in IT field is
Mm-hmm.
so the three basically there are three main fields: IT
Mm-hmm.
information technology,
Mm-hmm.
software engineering and CS computer science. You must do three of them one take like
Mm-hmm.
I have graduated in software engineering and it's around 4 year like period of this degree you can
Mm-hmm.
get it and then you serve in IT industry.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
So, how, you know, when you've been start? I mean, you have started a YouTube channel. It's been 2 months, right? So, what
No
kind of,
bro,
around 20 days?
around
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Yeah,
yes,
around 20 days.
yes.
So, what kind of content you upload on your YouTube channel?
Sir, I upload random English conversation videos, and apart
Mm-hmm.
from that, uh, I told some tips and trick to learn something new and come out your comfort zone. So just basic things. So basically, my main purpose is to improve our English and as well as our audience English. So I upload English content related videos So for my audience can watch these videos and do practice for listening. And so that's my point.
That's great. Okay. Yeah, your niche
Okay.
is quite clear. Yeah. Great.
Yes.
So
So
would you
in
like,
future, maybe I will upload some coding related video, but not for yet.
okay. So you know coding very well, is it?
Yes, I have around 3 year experience in this field,
So
especially
what,
in ASP.NET Core, Microsoft platform,
okay.
ASP.NET Core. Yes.
Yes, Fluent. I thought you work on Python because Python is
No,
on boom right now.
no. I worked in C Sharp language, and Microsoft has own complete framework, ASP.NET Core
Okay.
has that you can build complete website, backend, front end.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay, that's great. So would you like
yes.
to ask any question to me?
Yes, sir. I have a question like if beginner and like zero level person improve your English, so which practices like he do daily and for our improving English language? Have any specific practices and also like work on your grammar side or not?
But there are, certain kind of things. If you are at beginning level, so you don't care about your grammar or your pronunciation. First, you need to open your mouth, right? Try to produce
Okay.
the words because what happened? We are from, that we are our upbringing in that area or in that atmosphere, you can say in that ambience, like we speak since childhood in our mother tongue, so we are habitual to talk in that. That's why
Okay.
it's very big problem to think directly in English, right? So at the beginning
Okay.
level, we have tried to translate. when we
Yes. Same.
when we are habitual to translate, then we try to think in English. But most of the, if you go to any institute to learn English, they start from the grammar, but this is not needed. if you are if you have
Same
done.
happened for me. I multiple times starting to work on this language, and
Mhm.
all like around 3 or 4 months I do work in grammar side, and after I quit it. So now this time I directly start speaking. So I think this like 2 months is working for me better than the other time period. So
Yes.
actually you are right, bro.
So what happened, if you work on your, because if you are just 12th pass or just 10th pass, you know already the basic grammar, how we connect
Yes.
the sentence, how we make the sentence, what is the sentence performance, what is the structure of the sentence, we know already. So why we do waste our time to make to learn these things? So we have to start open our mouth. Whatever comes in your mind, you just try to speak. Whether it is broken, whether it is wrong, don't bother about that. Okay, don't
Yeah.
care about that. You just start speaking like a
Yes.
child, small child. When a small
Okay.
child starts speaking in mother tongue, he started from broken, broken, mother tongue or
Yes.
broken native language. So like this, we start English initially, but you have to be ready. People would laugh on you. Definitely. They make joke on
Yes.
you. Definitely. They sometimes humiliate you. Definitely. But you have to be ready for that because, there is one quote of one of very big, public speaker. He said, whenever you go to start anything new, which is quite different from your society, people would laugh on you 100%.
Yes.
Because we
Actually, you
don't
are right.
speak in English. And if you speak in English in your community or in your society, people look you strangely or they stare you and they think why he is speaking like this, why he is speaking the other language. So that time
Yes.
you feel awkward, but you don't give up.
Yes. Same.
Fluency or to learn English is not a skill. This is the courage. If you have the courage to speak, definitely you will learn. Otherwise, you can't. Whether you have the good knowledge of grammar, whether you have the good knowledge of the vocabulary, until you will not speak, you will not learn. In
Yes,
any language
you're
of
right.
the world, I am not talking here about the English only. Any language of the world, if you are going to learning, I mean, if you are going to start learn any language, so you have to speak, start speak. And
Okay.
second thing is listening and
Yes.
speaking. These are two practice very important. And the third practice is you have to read out loud every day. Suppose if you are doing practice for 1 hour per day to improve your English, you have 10 minutes fix for your for reading practice. 10 minutes you have to read out loud. Out loud means loudly as much as you can. I mean to
Okay.
say, if I say in Hindi, जितना तेज आप बोल सकते हो उतना तेज बोलो. You have to speak
I
like that. What
okay.
will happen if you do this exercise? Your jaws, your ears will get habitual to listen and to produce the words, and your mind will prepare to to listen the English content or to speak the English content. Your mouth will habitual. And the fourth thing is you have to improve your pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important to speak in English. If you want to get the good value of the people, good attention of the people when you speak to everyone, so that time you will get definitely good attention from the people if your pronunciation is good. Otherwise, you will not get the value from the people. We do
Okay.
practice, and since the beginning, we must care on our pronunciation. We should take care of our pronunciation. Pronunciation plays vital role. Whether if you speak wrong English, first thing is confidence, second thing is pronunciation. If you have
Yes.
two things inside you, if you speak wrong English, people will not judge you. Otherwise, you all the time you afraid, you think, sometime you feel hesitant, and you feel afraid being judged by the people. So this is all from my side.
Yes, brother. One thing I told honestly, I living in hostel. So, uh, nowadays my all friends they're laughing on me. What are you doing? I know I'm not like fluent and speak like correct English, but I try. So all my friend laughing on me and also watch my YouTube video and make fun. Uh, so I sometimes I feel like nervous, but I think I am uh, better for them. Like I able to do something, but he is not doing nothing. So this thing give me a motivation. So actually you are right. Like when in early staging, everyone make fun of you and try to demotivate you. So if you are like have the ability to face these things and come out the like this situation, you definitely learn and grow.
Yeah, I do agree with you 100%. You know what
Yes,
happened? This is the very minor problem you are facing. You're just your friend, they are making joke or they are making fun on you when they watch
yes.
your video. But it happens quite opposite with me. My family member, they laugh on me when they watch my video.
So
So
it's
that time,
difficult to.
how I felt that time, you won't you won't believe or you can't imagine even. So that situation I faced and I never gave up. That's why
But you are.
I am here talking in front of you like this. If I would
So,
have, gave up that time, I will never speak like this now. I'm speaking in front of you. So you
mm,
all that initially when I stated, you have to be prepared for all conditions, and there are obstacles or breaks, barriers. I mean to say, barriers,
okay,
obstacles will come, but you have to break all the things, barriers, obstacle. You have to break yourself. Definitely, you will be improved. And you feel the drastic change inside you. And your English is
right.
not bad. You are saying I'm not. No, you all the time you have to be positive, right? Whatever you are
Yes,
speaking is correct. Because if I am able to understand whatever you are trying to say, that means your English is good. If if some if you are talking to someone, right, and he or she is able to understand whatever you are saying, so that means your English is good. We do practice, we do, we make mistakes, and we have to learn our mistakes. All the time we learn from our mistakes, then only we should become stronger. Other, if we don't face any kind of problem, so what is the mean of the life? Life means
Yes.
problems, and
Problems, definitely. You are
we have
right,
to
sir.
face those problem. What, what kind of problem you face, you have to, you know uh, overcome, or you have to uh, get rid of from, according to that problem you have to face. Suppose, there is one code. If you face big challenge, you should try hard. This is the
Yes.
quote of one of, very big author. So we have to be prepare all the time like this. So
Okay.
people would, it's not a very big, issue if your friends making fun after watching your video. Sometime, when I started learning English, because I started learning English at, at very old age. You can say now I am 40
Okay.
years old, and before 2 years I was just 38 years. So in
38 years. Yes,
38 years I
definitely.
started learning English. Now you can imagine how people will take it, because you are a
Yes.
student. Oh, sorry, you are young guy. If you start in
Yes.
this age, people would not take it otherwise. But when you started at bigger age, then people take it otherwise. Why? What is the need of this? Even my family,
Yes.
from my family, I get many times, comments. What is the need of this? Why you are wasting your time?
But bro, actually, you are not wasting your time. You are very fluent in this language, and you feel like more confident whenever you speak in English.
Thank you so much.
So, and yes.
It's,
So,
big for me. I mean, your kind words. It's a lot for
yes,
me.
no problem, sir.
Okay,
So, anything else?
it's been 33 minutes already.
Yes.
So
Yes.
we should wrap up the session over here. If you want to ask any
Oh,
question, then you can ask me.
okay, so no, brother, nothing from my side. Just this video is would be for your channel or my channel.
You can upload on your channel, and I can upload on my channel also. We need to,
It's
it will not copyright.
yes.
We have to something changes in the editing. Then it would be
Okay,
not
so
copyright. Yeah.
okay. Okay, so please can you share this video and also share your picture for thumbnail?
Definitely, I would. Definitely, I will share with you.
Okay, okay, brother.
Okay.
Thank you very
Bye
much.
bye. Take care.
Giving
Allah
us time.
Hafiz.
Okay. Allah Hafiz. Stay happy.